Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Tellor or TRB. We're back again. It's been massively bullish since the video yesterday. Yesterday, I'm not even sure when we analyzed it. I think with these candles right here, and what we said is that it was most likely that TRB would continue by breaking above $35, which it did in the afternoon. And then rally up to our next price target. I said around $42, I think. We actually rallied higher, all the way up to $45, which was the top during the rally back in August last year, which is actually pretty ironic. A year ago, a little bit longer, and then we were at the same levels. And right now, like, the question is will it be able to continue even higher? It's crazy what TRB is doing. I have rarely seen anything like this. I have seen it before, but not that often. And Tellor itself, we'll take a look at all of the stats you need to know, right? But if you take a look at the volume right now, it's still growing. It is manipulated, like a lot of volume coming from BK, Bitfavo, Super X, which normally if a lot of volume comes from there, it is manipulated. So I don't, and if you take a look at the markets, it's practically the same. So I don't think there's any question about that. But the main question obviously is, how high can it go from here, right? So we'll talk about that. Like I said, we'll take a look at everything you need to know. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to my trading guides and a chat room full of traders to actually become a better trader yourself too. And some of the cryptos we actually caught yesterday are like STMX, or not yesterday, but earlier. SSV, we caught this rally. ACH, we caught this rally, and we are in KNC, we caught this rally. So if you want to learn how to do that and actually make some profits, hopefully as well, consider joining via the links down in the description. But for now, let's get into TRB. So the first thing we need to take a look at, because like I said, TRB is manipulated right now. The main thing I always tell you to look at with these manipulated cryptos is the following. And that is the open interest, which is the amount of positions that are open, and the volume. And what we're seeing right now is that we had a bit of a crash earlier this night, or this morning actually, but overall it is still bullish. But now we're actually seeing you can barely see it because it happened over the last half an hour. But now you can see a decrease, all right? It's still bullish, all right? So overall, I would still say the most likely scenario is that TRB will get up towards its next resistance level, which I'm not even sure how much of a resistance level that is, but its next resistance level at 52 and 53 cents. And then afterwards, if it even breaks above that, it can go all the way up to 60 and 62 dollars. If I said cents, I'm sorry, I meant dollars. The thing is though that if the volume and the open interest actually keep decreasing, and we start to see some sort of a technical bearish breakout, like the main support level for TRB right now is this level around 40 and 38 dollars. So if we see the volume and the open interest decreasing and TRB breaks down below $40, well then all of a sudden it's quite likely it will drop down to $30, and then this could be the end. But at this point of time, it's too early to say that because there's no bearish breakout. Sure, the open interest and the volume have dropped down a bit, but they're still in an uptrend. And then apart from that, which is absolutely crucial, if you take a look at the funding rate for TRB right now, it's minus 2%, which is crazy, all right? Nobody is going to short that. Nobody is going to sell that. So at this point of time, I would still say that it's most likely that TRB will continue going up, like I said, to $50, $54. But there are some, like cracks are starting to appear. So keep an eye out on that. I will keep you updated on this if you are interested in this. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.